Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the Hello Eye. For this I am taking the brown eyeshadow from the palette Pretty All Set You Can Be, and with the help of flat applicator brush applying it to the outer edges in the direction of V. Same goes for inner corner, applying in the direction of V, as you can see in the video. If you want to see the color, you can reverse the video and take the screenshot. Now giving depth to the color, depositing the color over crease line, because we going to apply the cut. Again taking the brown eyeshadow, blur out the crease line and blending the darkest color with the help of blending brush. Again taking the darkest black color, applying it to the outer edges and the crease line. Giving more depth to the color. Now using the concealer from the brand Forever 52 with the shade number C0V001, applying it till the client to see the terrace, and after that you get your guideline as you can see in the video. This is your guideline. Now with the help of fine liner brush, draw a cut. So we are going to do the hollow eye. The cut start from the mid of the eye in a shape of umbrella kind of, as you can see. Here is the cut for hollow eye. Filling all the gaps with the concealer brush from the brand Pro Art. Applying the transition shade for locking the concealing. Now merging out all the lines, blur out the lines from the outer corner or the inner corner. As you can see, here is the look of Hello Eye. Blending it till get the natural effect using the darkest color. Now taking the metallic liquid glitter from the brand Charmwalk Beauty in the color golden, applying it with the help of flat applicator. As you can see, now using the Forever 52 ka gel liner with the shade number GT001, applying the liner with the help of liner brush. Now taking the blending brush, blending the outer edge of the liner. Now this look after the lashes using the metallic silver liquid glitter, giving a sharp line to the cut. Here is the hollow eye. Now after application of white kajal to the lower lash line, applying the eyeshadow to the under eye for smudging with the help of smudging brush, and the same color, the darkest brown. Now applying the mascara to the lower lashes of the eye, and the mascara I am using from the brand Maybelline Colossal. Applying it to the lower lashes of the eye, and here is the final look in front of you. So if you have any query, you can directly comment in the comment section. I will respond to everybody. Till then, bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial. Keep practicing.